Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Cash App. Something went wrong, please try again later. For example, if I open a Cash App and after that this kind of error shows something went wrong, please check your network connection, or any kind of error shows, then how you can fix that. Or if you try to open the Cash App and the Cash App doesn't respond or doesn't open, then how you can fix that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, if you are an iPhone user or iOS user, what you have to do, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply offload the app. And if you are Android user, you have to simply go to app info, and after that you have to simply go to force stop, and after that you have to simply clear the storage and cache, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply check your network connection, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to check whether it is working properly or not, and you have to also restart your router of the Wi-Fi. And if you're using your network connection, cellular connection, then what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to turn it off again, which means you have to simply restart your connection. And if you're using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply reset your network settings, and after that you have to check your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, you have to click on iPhone's iOS store, App Store or Play Store, and you have to simply search for Cash App. And after that, what you have to do, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Cash App, because many problems are fixed by the updated version of the Cash App. In this way you can simply solve the problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.